Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Samsung soundbar not turning on. Let's dive in. The first possible fixes is to verify power connections. Samsung soundbar power cords often come in two parts. Confirm they are tightly connected. Inspect the connection between the cord and the soundbar. It should be snug and without gaps. Replace damaged power cords. Plug another device into the same outlet to verify power. If the outlet is not working, check your home circuit breaker or consult an electrician. Inspect the remote control. Replace the battery with new ones and ensure they are installed correctly. Test turning on the soundbar using its physical power button to confirm if the remote is the issue. Number 3. Examine for physical damage. Look for frayed cords, bent connectors, or physical damage on the soundbar. Damaged components may need to be replaced. Number 4. Reset the soundbar. Disconnect the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for 30 seconds. Reconnect the cord and attempt to power on the soundbar. Number 5. Check for firmware updates. Download and open the Samsung SmartThings app. Add the soundbar to the app. Check the soundbar setting for firmware updates and install them. Updating firmware resolves known bugs and enhances performance. Number 6. Prevent overheating. Position the soundbar in a well-ventilated area. Keep it away from direct sunlight, heaters, or other devices that generate heat. Overheating can prevent the soundbar from functioning properly. Connect Samsung support. Call for Samsung. Visit Samsung soundbar support. Provide details of the issue. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.